To remove the door panel, you have to use a trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver. You can find the trim removal tool in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So this is a door panel from a Mazda CX-5, and you have to remove that rubber from the inside handle. And also that plastic part from the handle. So to remove the rubber part from inside the handle, you can use a trim tool for protecting that plastic parts, for not scratching them. Then you can pull that silver arm and then remove the plastic part from inside, also using a trim tool. In this way you will not scratch the parts, the surfaces from the door panel. There you see, then you will see a bolt inside that handle. So remove those two bolts using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove that plastic piece using also a trim tool. Just pull it out. And there it is. Then unclip the door panel starting from the bottom. You can use a trim tool, or you can pull the door panel with your bare hands. After that, you have to lift the door panel up to remove it from the window frame. Then remove the cables from the door panel. You just have to press on that tab to release it. You have to know that the door panel has 9 clips, 9 plastic clips. So when you remove the door panel, you will most of them, it will break it, and you have to replace it with the new ones. You can find an easy method on how to remove the clips without break them in the video description below. You can find new clips for Mazda in the video description below to replace it. So this is the door panel. Disconnect the cables from the speaker. You just have to press on that tab and then take it out. Then remove all 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver, and then remove the speaker from the door. Now if you can see, the water made the paint come off. If you can see, there's rust over there. So the drain water caused this damage. To fix it, you have to clean the rust first from the surface where the speaker is unglued using liquid alcohol. You can use a few ear sticks with cotton buds to clean the rust. Otherwise it not glue very well. Then use silicone waterproof sealant to glue the speaker. You can find silicone waterproof sealant in the video description below. You will need also some plastic spring clamps. Use a ear stick to put the silicone all over the surface. After that, you will need some plastic spring clamps to glue the speaker, and then wait for about 24 hours before the installation. Also, you can use a ear stick to clean the surface from the silicone. It's better to use silicone than super glue, because the silicone is very soft and you cannot damage the speaker. You can find plastic spring clamps in the video description below. So use these spring clamps to attach that part from the speaker frame, that soft part. You can use these spring clamps to attach the soft part to the speaker frame. And there it is. This is the speaker after 24 hours. There's some silicone on the frame, but you can clean it very easy. So install the speaker back on the door. Put those 4 screws back using a Phillips screwdriver. Then install all the parts from the door panel. So connect the cables to the speaker. Then connect the cables from the window button. After that, remove the plastic frame and install it on the door. Then put the door panel back. So remove the plastic frame and install it on the door before you put the door panel back. Then install the interior door handle on the door panel and then install the door panel back on the door. Then put that screw back. And put the rubber back in its place. Then put that screw from the interior handle. Then install the plastic part. Then put that plastic part back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.